So this Euro Pound analysis for Monday the 23rd of April. Now let's just have a look at different prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had price come down towards this 86.20, from which we did see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market. Brief consolidation beneath this 86.63 major level before we have this strong break here to the upside, breaking above even the 87 level. Came in towards the 400 period average, briefly had some further consolidation, broke below down towards the 87 level, and again we did see that strong bullish buy side momentum take us above the 87.50. Now again, from the 87.50, we had price progress towards that 87.83, the very next major level here, from which we have seen the sell side momentum come into the market, bringing us back below the 87.50. Now, from say below 87.50, we have seen this slow movement here to the upside. For a look, prices did appear to be heading towards another test, but we have seen some sell side momentum come into the market more recently. So we are testing this 87.50 level. So if we continue to hold on to 87.50, we're looking for a retest of the 87.83 in alignment with this overall trend, which it does appear to be to the upside more recently. Successful break from which we're looking for prices to head up towards that 88 level, and beyond 88 we're looking for prices to head up towards the 88.20, 88.51, and beyond the 88.51. 88.51 is a very strong major level, so we'd like to see some sell side momentum from that level or some consolidation. But if we were to break above the 88.51, we'll be looking for price head up towards 88.74 here on the Euro Pound. Now, if we are to see the further sell side momentum come into the market, if we are not able to see a retest of the 87.83, and we do break down from 87.50, we are looking for price to progress down towards the 87.20. in around with the 400 period moving average. Successful break from which we're looking for price head down towards the 87 level, where we do have pretty close by the added confluence of the 200 period moving average. And successful break from there, we're looking for prices to head down towards that 86.63. Successful, and would expect 86.63 to be the far end of the range here. Very strong major level, previously acted as resistance and support. So 86.63, possibly expecting that to be the far end of the range, even if we do have a particularly volatile day, because we do have a couple of confluences likely to impede prices somewhat. But if we were to progress beyond the 86.63, the very next major level that we are swing low we are looking at in the market is around at 86.20. Now, if we have a look at the higher time frames here on the Euro Pound, we're over to the monthly chart. We get the scale on here correct. As we can see, we are still operating inside of this consolidation. Had a pretty strong move upwards, sharp sell-off, move back upwards, found the sell side momentum. We were in a bit of a trading range, and we did appear to be breaking out of the trading range to the downside, but we are seeing that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. So we are heading back up into that trading range, that well-established trading range here on the Euro Pound. What we'll do now is we have a look at the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame, this is a trading range that we were operating in. We were seeing that breakdown to the downside. We did see some pound strength, but more recently we've had some pound weakness come into this market, and what we are seeing is a further recovery here in the euro against the pound. So we are going back. We do appear to be heading back into this. If we do see continued weakness in the pound, we do appear to be heading back within this trading range that we were in since mid to late 2017. That does appear to be where we're heading here on the Euro Pound. Now, what we'll do now is we'll have a look at the daily chart, and on the daily chart we can see here, after having the sharp sell-off, had a brief pullback, then seen that further sell side momentum take us below this well-established horizontal level of support. But we have seen that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. We've traded back above the 400 period moving average, which previously acted as support. Do appear to be retesting at the moment, but if we do see a bullish buy side momentum follow through, we're looking for price up towards the levels previously identified as being important to the upside. And with that said, that wraps up the Euro Pound analysis. Thanks for watching.